For me, the reality is you're always going to get organised fraud rings that, in some cases, they're buying the products to resell them, generally on marketplaces at a markup because they're using the stolen card information. That's always been the case ever since I've been in fraud, and that's about 15 years now. It's a way to quickly monetize. You make sure that you're buying something that's easily resellable, and that's generally tends to be on the more higher end, whether that's apparel, whether that's electronics, etc. What changes is where those groups are based, and for me, the sad side of that is it's quite often linked as well to human trafficking, and the people that are perpetrating that kind of fraud are also the ones that they themselves are being taken advantage of to kind of get the volumes that those bad actors want to be able to resell the product at.